Oh, interesting. That's
person or cool, brilliant. Cool, okay. Come out with me. So this Seb is going to be following Davido all around. I've got the Slack up there.
We had a curve going in, and obviously it was the room and the moving you.
Oh, Sean.
Congrats.
Oh, Sean.
Congrats.
Let me shine, baby. Let me shine, baby.
That's some champion movement.
Too tall, real tall.
Why you aren't say, bro?
Oh, my brother.
We did it again. Oh, we're gonna do it again and again. More than give one chance.
Yeah, you have to go down. Yeah. So cute. Yeah.
Oh, show killer.
She just made it now.
Wow, see. Papa.
Another one.
Roscoe.
Okay.
Congrats, man.
Roscoe.
When you stick with us here at Lionmark TV, it simply means you have access to exclusive content you will never find anywhere on YouTube, and yeah, we bring them to you fresh and direct. This is like a little of what happened behind backstage. You can see Imade and a lot. Davido took the entire family to London and he gave them a wonderful treat, and the whole show was a complete shutdown and a massive one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. See you guys on my next video.